Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Zucchini cookies, take one. Somebody gave me a zucchini, so we're trying to use it up. So in here I have a 1/4 cup of butter. And to that we're going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. This is just a small batch. So let's mix that together. But you can always double this if you want. We got the butter and sugar in here. Now we're going to put in 1 egg. And if you want to cream your butter and sugar longer, go right ahead. Some people say it's better, some people say it doesn't matter. So I say it doesn't matter today. So we're putting in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla to go with that egg. Alright, now I have 1 cup of just all-purpose flour right here. I'm going to put about 1/2 of that in there. And then in this dish right here, and I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box, I have a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, ground cloves. So we'll put that in there. We'll give that a little stir in there with that flour. So it's not all in one place. And we're just going to stir that up. I got my oven preheated to 375 degrees. Now we're going to pour in a 1/2 cup of zucchini shredded. Smells good, those cloves and cinnamon. And then we'll put in a 1/2 cup of raisins. If you don't like cloves, don't put cloves in. If you don't want raisins, don't put them in. And we're going to put in some walnuts, because zucchini with walnuts, yeah, that's what we're talking about. All right, guys, look how fast that came together. How many minutes?
2 minutes, 50 seconds.
Oh, man. Hardly anything to this. And now, we get to bake it. 375.
And we get to eat it.
Might have to make some cream cheese icing to go on top of it.
Oh, yeah. Now you're talking.
Yeah. All right. All right. Get these dipped out here. This is going to be perfect size. Not too big of a batch since it's just us. Granted, we'll probably give some away, even at this.
Oh, I'm sure.
We'll take one to taste it. All right. We're going in a 375 degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And we'll be back. All right, guys. This is how many mine made. As you say, this was the big one here. So I could have made 12. I think I made 11. Yeah, I made 11. And that was just what was left over in the thing, so I just put it all into one. And I put cream cheese icing on 3 of them because I had some already made up in the fridge. Sometimes you got to do that. All right, here we go in for the taste test. Mmm. Mmm. That really is good.
I mean, how could it not be a zucchini?
Mm.
And zucchini bread we love, so that's got to be...
raisins and nuts in it?
Yeah.
Mm. Oh, yeah.
Kicks it up a notch, don't it?
Mm-mm-mm. And them cloves, you can taste that cloves and cinnamon. Guys, you got some zucchini to use up. It only takes a half cup. And not very many ingredients at all. 1 cup of flour, half cup of sugar. I'm sure you have all of those ingredients. You might not have some raisins, but I used to not carry raisins at the house until I started baking. It's like, ooh, I like oatmeal raisin cookies.
Oh, me too.
All right, guys. So give this one a try. And if you do, let us know how you like it because it's awesome. I love it. In case you didn't notice. All right. So like, comment, share, subscribe, hype, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.